Good morning, YouTubers. Today is a special day, the 10th of December 2017, and it snowed like crazy. So this morning I find myself trying to feed the birds, taking away all the snow from the little feeders and feeding the birds the sunflower hearts, as you can see. And it's quite a job. I've got quite a few of these. This one's on the shed and it's quite high up, so the birds and the squirrels can feed from this. And the sunflower seeds are very popular with the pigeons and the squirrels. That's a water container, but obviously there's no water in there, so later on I'll have to put some water in there. And we're going to continue with the sunflower seeds. I have other things to put out as well. I've got the wild bird seed to go as well, and also for the squirrels, the peanuts. And the peanuts go into the squirrel hut. You'll see that in a minute when we clear away the squirrel hut. And there go the sunflowers, sun hearts. And this is the wild bird feeder. We have to shake it and clear it out, and we're going to put some peanuts in there, sunflower seeds and peanuts. And then this one is for the wild birds, and this is where they come normally when it's all cleared out. Make sure everything is, try and get them as clear as possible. And then we're going to put there lots of wild bird seeds that all other birds can have a go at. Great, that's great. Now this is the squirrel huts where the peanuts are going to go for the squirrels. Just clear out a little bit of the snow around the area, not on top, don't bother with the top. Now I'm going to feed the peanuts into the squirrel hut so they keep them dry, and then hopefully we're going to get lots of squirrels coming. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. All the very best, and bye bye.